Hello guys, today I will trade on pocket option with candlestick psychology and candlestick pattern. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel for next update. And first of all, I analyze the market and then trace place on pocket option. Okay, so let's start trading.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get